Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Hey, Shirley. It's going pretty well. I woke up a little sleepy, but I made some coffee, so now I feel better.
Coffee helps everything.
It really does. How about you? How's your morning?
It's nice. I didn't rush today. I took my time, I sat near the window, and just looked outside for a bit.
That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, I like slow mornings when I can get them.
I'm trying to learn that. I usually rush too much.
We're all learning.
Oh, before we start, let's introduce ourselves.
Good idea. Hi, everyone. My name is Shirley.
And I'm Patrick. We're friends from the United States.
And today we're just talking, very casually, very slowly.
Like two friends sitting together, maybe with coffee.
Yes. And today's topic is something almost everyone loves
Movies.
movies.
So let me ask you the big question. What kind of movies do you like?
That's a fun question.
It is, and it's a great question for learning English.
Yes, because everyone has an answer.
So, Shirley, what kind of movies do you like?
Hmm, thinking for a moment. I really like romantic movies.
Romantic movies.
Yes, movies about love, relationships, emotions.
That doesn't surprise me. Smiles.
Why?
You're very emotional, in a good way.
That's true. I like movies that make me feel something.
Happy, sad.
Sometimes both at the same time.
Do you cry during movies?
Oh, yes, I cry very easily,
I knew it.
especially if the story is sad or beautiful.
I usually try not to cry.
Try.
Okay, sometimes I cry too. Just a little.
It's okay. Movies are made to touch our hearts.
That's true.
What about you? What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Action movies?
Yes, movies with fast scenes, adventure, heroes, danger.
Explosions?
Yes, sometimes many explosions.
Why do you like action movies?
After work, my brain feels tired. I don't want to think too much. I just want to relax and enjoy.
That makes sense.
Action movies help me forget stress.
Movies are like a small escape.
Exactly.
Do you remember the first movie you really loved?
Let me think. When I was a kid, I loved superhero movies.
Oh, like Spider Man?
Yes, Spider Man was my favorite.
Did you want to be Spider Man?
Of course, I even tried to climb things.
Did it work?
Not at all.
Kids are funny.
What about you? Your first favorite movie?
I watched a romantic movie with my mom when I was young.
That's sweet.
I didn't understand the story fully, but I loved the music and feelings.
Movies stay with us from childhood.
Yes, they become memories.
Do you like watching movies alone or with people?
I like watching with someone.
Why?
I like sharing reactions, laughing together, feeling together.
You like talking during movies.
Maybe a little.
Just a little?
Okay, maybe more than a little.
I like both. Alone is quiet, with friends is fun.
Do you like comedy movies?
Oh, yes, I love comedy movies.
Me too. Laughing feels so good.
Sometimes I watch the same comedy movie again and again.
Comfort movies.
Yes, movies that feel safe.
I do that with romantic movies.
I know. Smiles.
Do you like horror movies?
No, not really.
Why not?
I get scared easily.
Really?
Yes, I imagine things after the movie ends.
Me too. I need lights on.
And maybe someone nearby.
Exactly.
Do you like watching movies at home or in a movie theater?
Both. The theater feels special,
Big screen, loud sound.
but home is comfortable.
Pajamas, snacks, pause button,
The pause button is amazing.
especially for long movies.
Do you watch movies in English only?
Mostly, yes. But sometimes I watch foreign movies.
Me too. I like learning about other cultures
Movies teach us language and culture.
and emotions.
Do you prefer happy endings?
Yes, I like hope.
Me too. Life is already hard.
But sad endings can be powerful.
They make you think.
Yes, they stay in your mind.
Have you ever watched a movie that changed you?
Yes, some movies made me think differently about life.
Same here.
Movies can teach us kindness
And courage.
and love.
Do you watch movies to practice English?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Listening helps pronunciation.
And vocabulary.
Movies make learning fun.
That's very important.
If learning feels boring, people stop.
Movies make it enjoyable.
So if someone asks you, what kind of movies do you like?
You can answer simply.
I like action movies.
Or I like romantic movies.
Simple sentences.
Just like this conversation.
Just like this conversation. Movies bring people together,
Even people with different tastes.
like us.
Exactly.
Before we end, let's say something to our listeners.
Okay.
If you are learning English, try watching movies.
Start with easy ones.
Watch again.
Pause
Listen.
and enjoy.
Learning English should feel fun.
Like watching a good movie.
So, what kind of movies do you like?
Action, romance, comedy.
Whatever you like.
Enjoy your movie time.
And enjoy your English journey.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.